Let me show you how you finish.
Savage Expense just opened. And somebody said they're gonna take me.
You better clock that too.
So you guys hold him accountable. Okay, y'all super modern and Kanye on. Clock that tea.
In today's vlog of Dolly Can K.
Northeast First Ave on the way to Lucky Strike. Don't do this at home. Savage Expense just opened. And somebody said they're gonna take me. So you guys hold him accountable. I only been to the one in DC, and the one in DC is very, very pretty.
Oh, this
in a mall. Oh, look, guys, this is a new Apple store. Are they open yet? When they open? When was it under construction? I didn't even know it was here. This was the 60 Vines place that we went to that time. The creator event. Remember? I got invited to the creator event. You don't think I went? Duh, you didn't go. Y'all remember this in my other vlog? 60 Vines. It's so cold, y'all. Let me see what the weather is. This is Brickell or downtown? Would this be considered Brickell? Anyways, 67-ish. Outfit so cute. He think he see. Maybe he see. I don't know. Lost per usual. Every time we get over here, nothing new. It's a, yeah, it's a 514 or something, or 511. Okay. Hey Ray, we by Lulu. Oh, I see it. Never mind. Lulu. Here go the Lucky Strike place, y'all. That y'all be seeing on TikTok. Right here. Meet me inside. Or meet us inside. Thumbnail picture. Period. What the heck? Oh, this door? BRB, y'all.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man.
Call, bro.
You don't have his number? Do you see us by the bar? Oh, I see. Hey y'all. How you doing?
You with all that content shit and all that shit.
Cars back on the channel. But I didn't upload the other vlog. Let me go get the shoes. Come on, Raymond. Your shoe size?
13.
13.
I can't see myself. I feel like a content creator, y'all. Oh, what is going on?
It's you being awkward.
Man, where y'all going? So, I'm making my appearance, y'all. Y'all go check out my YouTube channel, Ray KG.
You was doing all that Raymond. 22.
It's talking mess, huh?
Want to drink. Nigga just want some.
Huh?
Now, when you pick your eat, you got designated ball.
What is it?
A camera.
Yep.
That's his vlog camera.
DJI.
That's that expensive camera.
Y'all,
I'm about to beat Ray, period.
the real KK with her.
Ram. Y'all comment who y'all think gonna win. Of course, it's gonna be Kenny.
We on two in this lane? Somebody else in this lane?
To it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Bet some, nigga. Bet some.
You already lose.
Bet some.
You
I'm
already
talking about
lose.
next round.
Oh, that's out.
Hopefully, y'all make That's fine.
Hit shot.
Actually, Eric, don't worry about it. I'm sorry, I've been watching this out there by accident.
I hit Sprite. That's what I hit.
I got 100 say you missed that.
I hit a motherfucking Sprite. You need to keep your honey and go get bowling now. That's what you need to do.
You starve, but you don't
Keep your money.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the bag and keep
I'm tell her I need my shit in a to-go cup. Cause that cup tastes like it's dirty or something, bro.
It's a drink in the cup.
Yeah, but it tastes like something was already in that bitch before that. Real. Tastes like a mozzarella stick was in that bitch. Very dry.
big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For this Christmas, I brought everybody come. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm broke, see it's about 5,000 months. Bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. Think I'm deaf, got clothes in my right or left. And you talk like the guy ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Scott Swellers, really in a prison. Time is 50, trying with your mellow. But the game to his empty. The color spit the flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm tough. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, you know, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can.
Okay, y'all supermodel? That's right, and Kanye on. Clock that
God damn it.
I think too much.
Go on me that second.
Nobody watch.
See you later.
Oh no, he didn't play. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Absurd, grasshopper.
Let me show you how you finish.